The judicial systems in India and the UK seem to be converging as well as diverging in recent times. Highlight the key points of convergence and divergence between the two nations in terms of their judicial practices. 150 words, 10 marks. Introduction. The judicial systems of India and the United Kingdom share historical links, as India's legal system was shaped by British colonial rule. Both systems have evolved over time to reflect their societies and political changes. Body. Points of convergence, common law tradition. Both India and the UK follow a common law system based on precedents and the principle of stare decisis. Rule of law. Both uphold the rule of law, ensuring fair and consistent application of laws while maintaining judicial independence from the executive and legislative branches. Judicial activism. There has been a rise in judicial activism in both countries, with courts actively interpreting laws to address social and environmental issues. Protection of fundamental rights. Both emphasize protecting fundamental rights. The UK's Human Rights Act 1998 incorporates the European Convention on Human Rights, while India's constitution includes a comprehensive set of rights. Points of divergence. Constitutional framework. India has a written constitution as its supreme law, while the UK relies on an unwritten constitution based on statutes and conventions. Judicial review. India has a broader scope of judicial review, allowing its judiciary to strike down unconstitutional laws, unlike the UK, where courts can only declare incompatibility with the Human Rights Act. Court structure. India has a three-tier judiciary, Supreme Court, High Courts, and subordinate courts, while the UK has a more complex system with separate courts for different regions. Appointment of judges. India uses a collegium system for judicial appointments, which is less transparent, whereas the UK has a Judicial Appointments Commission that selects judges based on merit. Conclusion. As India and the UK adapt to contemporary challenges, their judicial systems may continue to evolve, leading to new areas of convergence or divergence in their legal frameworks.